Ndewon, Afambo Chomoji, aka Adandibo, aka Chibibt, Beauty Brains and Talent. Tata, I na call Ambassador Ilu Igbo. Ilu Bumano Ndibo Jelioku. Genti Kinu, Ilu Di Cheche. It's Igbo Proverb Friday with Chomoji, the last Friday of the year. And thank you for being here. If you see this anywhere in the world, repost it so that it can get to someone. Stay tuned. Have you heard of Go Truck? Go Truck is the only trucking company that can give you an affordable and reliable truck. Are you tired of, Oga, our truck broke down on the way? That's why we have not come. Oga, our truck fell down. That's why we are not able. Oga, your goods are spoiled because the truck fell down. Oga, the truck is spoiled. Are you tired of those excuses? Rush to gotruck.ng or call this number on your screen. With this number, they will give you reliable information for you to get your own truck here in Nigeria.
So gotruck.ng offers other reliable services like Go Market, where you can buy your trucks, Go Drivers, where you can get reliable drivers, and then Go Funding, where people can gather money and get trucks. Lolo na igbo GCK phone number and on your screen. For more information, call the number on your screen.
I don't want to hear my goods are missing. I don't know who took my goods. My goods have been on the road for 1 week. When your goods is supposed to be on the road for 1 day. Listen to my advice. I go to Go Truck. You see me? I am on a reliable flight. Ebe onyeda kachi akwaturia. Wherever you find yourself in life, try your best. But if you see yourself in a point where you cannot change, no matter what you do, that's where you are meant to be. Different people. Right now I'm in the Department of Fine Arts, University of Nigeria in Suka. You can see all the beautiful sculptures that they've done. These people are individuals. They are the engineers, they are the English studies, they are everybody. Don't worry about any situation. When it comes to time, it will get ready. That's life. When things come to their reality, nature naturally takes place. Don't worry, old age will come. A child is born, a child will die. Try your best. No matter the nature of your job, all you have to do is keep working hard, be proud of what you do, provided you are doing something very legit. Don't mind what people say. They will always say, remember that when you start doing things and you get criticized for it, that's when you're succeeding. They may criticize you because you're just coming up. Don't mind them. Some people criticizing you are nothing. They don't know where they're going to in life. Akajaja nebute ono mano. When a child washes his hands very well, he will mingle with elders.
Thank you all for watching this beautiful episode of Igbo Proverb Friday with Chomoji. To my fans all over the world, I love you. If you're just coming across my post for the first time, thank you so much. Just know in your heart and in my heart that I love you so much. Thank you for your consistency and your support and everything you've done, your reposts, your subscription to my channel, and all your efforts to promote me. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. To Go Truck, thank you so much for sponsoring this program. We appreciate you. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Thank you.